men. Benin men never protect Benin women. If you see Benin man marry Asian woman, you know they do nyaka. But if you marry Benin woman, you go they do nyaka. You go they do nyaka. Now truth, now self-love talk. Because they don't want to hear the truth, they tangle their ear. All of them, when they say self-love lawa, all of them, they do Ashawo to feed their boyfriend. They pay madam finish. Who pay madam finish. Who run now? Now one can go they pay. Person when he run say no one pay BC. Now one can go they do Ashawo to they feed. If once he say he run no one pay BC, no one pay BC. You know they go road work. Now that they say easy not be only you want do self-love enter her. Now self-love, oh, now they pepper there for you. You know say self-love is loud. He mat na engine. You see now that truth now they no one made they hear. Why you they know no Binima Bini boys years back you got one way they talk to me. Now brother comes say, Obie son. Now wow. Now you will come to work here with the bear zen Obie son. Now so Ibini brother tell us say, now you go give Isha woman money to work here with the bear. Do you know that there is some guys when they do control that time? There's the woman when they knock control for you go give them money. They will go give her to girlfriend. They got another girlfriend though. They got another girlfriend. If you want to play the game with them, you play the game with them. So Benin women they just say she iyamayale bane blabwe any iyante they can insult them. And it's not too real like that oh. Some Benin women they guess they that lie they don't put Benin man for us. Lie. And that they against those one where they don't put Benin man for us. That they against. They don't friend one man one woman they will get to yellow kute. If they get to yellow kute, they still get 5 yellow kute. They'll still get small girls. Yeah, they will wait for their Benin people. Once the Benin girl don't pay, Igbese finish. The next thing, they go they friend the girl. Now I mean that they say, make una not follow Blabwe. Now say Benin people, now they say Blabwe or your go. No, that language, now Benin geta. Blabwe or your go. If you say the amount of people wait there for a year, now Benin, Blabwe they chop person money. Blabwe they chop person money. May I tell you, Benin girl, when they work for Fabrica, then Benin women when they work for Fabrica, then Benin men not they friend them, oh. Where we go. They not they friend them. Lie. Not they friend them. Ask. Just say, in a lovely time, I want to know, I want to go if you come, when you work for Fabric at that time. The time when the rest, they do Ashawo, they feed all those Benin men. Some still day inside when they work for Fabrica. That Benin man not they friend them. Lie. If they hard. Before you see say Benin man, you friend them because they'll say, they go. Because I see when they receive money for Fabrica now, where you want see million give you. The money when they receive, now you want to enter Africa shop, go carry a small start, 15 carton of small start, 7 carton of small start. Anything. You get one shop that time, anything, they go just and tell load 3 carello. They're not they do party, oh. I bet Benin men too stingy. They are very wicked and stingy. Ni awo rewe bo. Now them go make one can make the one way de Nigeria. Any way Nigeria na we be Benin women or rewe bo shentro. Those one when they inside poto. They me waje nanya. For 1 month for Nigeria, you call they do me shentro me when they abroad. They never born you. I said beer. They don't want to tell themselves the truth. That time that they speak me, I not agree for them. Lie.
Help me, hold back. Police corner.
Lie. He get one, I don't fight talk that story. Me with one of my Bini girlfriend, not be this one or another one. The Bini boy, that woman has neither day, they can never rent their house. Now so he can't speak me, another one can't speak that my Bini girlfriend, not be this one when me with her, or another of my Bini girlfriend day. We know say na women and they follow stay for her so. You see, huh? Now we got to say one day one country, they will read, they will see say now women they follow stay. That my Bini girlfriend, me and they always the friends when I they get for Bini, they know where. Egbe male raya. I always get Bini friend when they rugged. I mean, when Bini woman, oh yes, yeah, you can they fear. If I get Bini girlfriend, now rugged one, how they get rugged. That one still rugged. As we read the house, so we know those Bini, now woman either they follow stay. We just stay city room. I don't find out the story. We just stay city room. Now, as you can't stay for there, they can't say what you want, drink. Now, so they even the bottle where they carry come as a drink. Now, me with my girlfriend, that Bini girlfriend, now we take fight them. Now we take fight them. As you come up for the night, I say, my brother, my say, my sister, I say, now so these people be. He say, now to toss for my mind, say, for to the day, I can never, if Bini person they talk to me, I can never go to. If you want to say, go to Padova, you can never see any Bini man for Padova. You can say, if friend lovely. You know, I don't agree. Even my Bini girlfriend, this one when she they always they call me for line. If I they do videos sometimes, this my Bini sister. They will tell that one, say, go lovely go. He will say, no, just go there. And the one where they tell my girlfriend, say, go lovely go. That they sell market. No be no bog be or shentro no raw. No be shentro way day. The one where they sell market. I will say my Bini girlfriend I go don't they work now for color. Nia a shentro. A shentro guy can never tell me they craze. He have video, that they video. One, I did train station. I couldn't travel that day. They stay for train station. They wait for guys. So man, I don't mind. They will know their story. I did travel. Now, so I reached train station. I say hello, boy, and I what's boy? I mean, now I be person when you know how to they do swing, you know. I say what's boy? What's boy? Oh yeah, you not be Bini? I said no, I not be Bini. Now the second guy went follow, cause say, you see on I Bini now. And where which tribe be Bini? Cause say I be son. Now his friend went follow and say, we son. He don't tell where Bini people don't say, we they use juju. Even Bini person go to say, we son, he always juju. Now so that guy just tell me say make I shake. Now so I just shake. He juju spoil. You know say that they see person when he body they spoil juju. Now so the guy say, try your way, I'll baby bo. That's the first time when I hear a bow or baby bow. He said, this one don't spoil my juju. You know those, but if they spoil juju, I shake her. The juju spoil. That was stay for train station, they find women. Now if I say, yes, son. Now you go they give this one money now. When my on Nigeria, you don't tell when they swag they combo. Now they even swag again. Epa me ye swag. You don't tell when they swag. Now they swag again. You know? Now so the first Bini guy, when I go even to say, I want even friend, the first Bini guy for Europe, the first Bini guy. As you read them, my darling, now women that follow this house, you know, what you never see before, I have never expected that. Now so me with my Bini girlfriend, we can't go there. As you reach there, we sit down. Each of those guys when they that house, they get each room now with their girlfriend. They inside the room. Now so we sit down. They put this thing for their Vecchio Romani. Bini women here inside the Vecchio Romani there is supermarket there. These people can drink 3 bottles of Vecchio Romani. You know, I bet Benin women. The way be said that they hustle. We say the money day. You go to know say Benin people, Benin women, ugele wanna ye dore. People Benin women come out, make money, come build house. Therefore not sit down house. Therefore not sit down house for Benin. Therefore not sit down house. Benin women for build upstairs. Now Benin men yana yin boy a fogo. Yana yin boy a fogo. Most of Benin women, as they some of them get gold. As they way to go, they so ya pay house rent. Benin women know if they come, they don't think that's a lovely shut up enter house. They don't say I did now the truth, now they talk. I know they insult them. If they say that Benin women they hustle. A hustle. A boy munigo ne so. I always say the way when they take hustle, the way when you supposed to take help them, give them money. Say they don't give blah boy money. Now so us here for full Benin. Even their village says us go fuller. You know what it be money that year. Anyway, I had to try any 150, 200, 150,000, 200,000, 140, 130. Now I did they sell at that time. They call the right rubbish for you. You demand. You don't know your mate. You say now Facebook, now Facebook saga. You don't set up this. Thank you, my darling. Messing. Thank you. I don't set up the story. Me, my sister. If I zuzu, where for zuzu, I go talk. I know the shame. I rugged. Rugged person don't get shame. As I did, so I don't feel enter road, carry back, go road. Man go day house. I'll go to do Ashawo, go to give. They never born that man. They're not born man. If I want to do Ashawo, I will use and take care of myself. I'm not going to use Ashawo money to take care of my family. I will use and take care of myself. Now my body, and now my body I go use the money for. Did you see it? Now my body I go use the money for. Now so we reach the asshole. Now we drink food there, they start table. We not say now guys, women just put them for house. No be we sit down before you know kulu. We don't know what they happen. Kulu. Now that Benin boy can't even talk say now he go be mine. Now he say Benin boyfriend. Kulu. What did they happen? What did they stop? And then on say me without my Benin girlfriend. That my Benin girlfriend they zuzu. That one what if you push you for train. I know they follow weak people. I know they follow weak. If you are weak, you are not my friend. Because if I want move, you know if you follow me move. Now tell that my Benin girlfriend say, what did they happen for you? That one called they put here for ground because I know they hear Benin. Because they explain to me that I know they hear Benin kata. Now listen Facebook now call they hear Benin. I don't know how to speak Benin. It was a do. Now I go say, I waited there. They call they speak Benin. He come to say this place so. Oh, you see those guys? I say, he say now their girlfriend though. Now they live together. I say, they get girlfriend. They carry us come their girlfriend house. Now my girlfriend come to say fight go up. I tell her say, you there talash now? Me anytime. If you say no, care ourselves, we care ourselves. I rugged. No be say nyama. No be so. Before you know, one just go inside house, he go bring that something. Where they carry call that thing where they take the roll, where they call it. The guy call the whole line. Yeah, man, zigegbe. That they speak beneath. That they zigegbe. You know, call they speak beneath. Me I know they hear beneath. Now my girlfriend they translate. I just say, wait till they talk. Tell me now. That one say you wait. Say now fight now one boss. So I say I did area now. But that my girlfriend don't say me and the zuzu. Before you know, the guy they say they come, they inside kitchen, the guy they push and they go inside kitchen. You know, now the guy they come, now the guy go carry that thing where they take the roll. If you want to do meat pie, now he carry on. I throw on. Man, see bottle come they fly. Yeah, you know what it be zuzu. Carry one bottle. My girlfriend carry call vehicle money. Now thousand una de craze. Now carry 2 I break am for air. Now one woman first I said where na erere na ma by my man. These people had no correct. That time my girlfriend say come on for a year. This useless life. Me I know they live this useless life. Then now so wait my sister. Yeah, break bottle. My sister, if I follow you fight, I know they quit fight too. If I follow you fight, blood must come out. I know they use my fight. I don't feel how you me with you they fight like now weapon out they fight. No say I be lefty. Once I pick something throw here, I be lefty I go boy. No say person will be lefty gets power where. Hey, if I pick something throw, it must hit you. Now so I carry the 2 bottle. I knock a proof. Drink there inside though. I knock a like my man, me when not that one. Me I want come from that area because me I know they fight for inside house. Now outside that's for they fight. I don't know how to fight for inside house. Constantly me to they fight for inside house. You will be like say you they suffocate me. You don't say that they see people when if they fight they go they run they fight. You don't say that they see people like that. Now that kind of person now be. If me with you they inside house if they quarrel and they go outside though, because now outside now for they get power. For inside house, I can never fight with you. Like. Now that my girlfriend throw away this thing, Vecchio Romani, bow, now you knock wall. No say Vecchio Romani bottle is strong. You know they break. Boom, now you fall for ground. Bow, it bounce. I carry it out this. Now that my binika, I carry the 2 Hennessy. Now carry on up like this, Hennessy. Now carry on up like this. I break and drink full everywhere. I break and finish everywhere. Make silent. That my girlfriend say, come on for you. Because if you say more fight for inside house, I know they fight inside house fine. I tell my girlfriend say, and they move. Now so I come out. Now the boys they go follow us. For where? I will tell them say, lie. I tell the guy say, I don't want to see you with my eye gay. Now that day, now it make me say, I can never, Binima, it they hard. If you see say lovely friend Binima, you gonna say the Binima, he get money. You gonna say he get money. And those guys, they were Shentro guys. Shentro guys, I don't agree. That's when I did know. If you see me, I too fine now. Leave that thing. One day, for Padova, I dey come for somewhere that day. I can't see the girlfriend of the boy when they talk to me. I can't see the girlfriend. Now, you know, say that is something when you go put for mind. Like all those things, I don't put them for mind. One day, as I just come down for step. People when they Padova, you know, if you want to go the second side of Padova, you enter underground coma. And I'd go buy something for Africa shop. They come from somewhere, something like that. I can't come down. So I just come down, just see the girl with another girl. He say, whether I know her, I got to say, I don't know you, anything. He say, he don't see me. Thank God say he don't see me. I go tell him, say, who be you? I don't know you. Yeah, you thought say you don't know me. I say, I don't know you. Say, when I remember me with my girlfriend, come their house. I said, oh, I don't remember. How you did now? I don't tell her, say, how you did now? He say, me I no fear. I dey afraid the boyfriend. I tell her, say, you dey craze. You where? He say, and I say, you demand. You want me to buy you for a year? You want me I go suffocate you for a year? The man, I'm going to they talk about boyfriend, those useless boyfriend when they do Ashawo, they feed. He say, and I say, yeah, that's how they do Ashawo, they feed them now. He say, now me to now they do this package. Now be me to now they run. Me right from time at the blast. Now not even they talk again. If you they find trouble, me I get language when they use. I said, now they do this nonsense central game. Say, look at the boy one of even the friend self. I don't even know that say the guy self now central guy. I know they do central guy. I say your guy now if I say make I friend your guy, you go they do Ashawo, you they give the guy money, the guy go they give me. He say, and I say, you want? Now his friend cut out say, just oh yes, son, just say I. You know, you don't say when these people they say yes, son, well yes, son. Just oh yes, well, I'll tell me bye bye. Say my sister bye bye. You know. I say, you the Zuzu. You get this thing. Come the police and you get this part. Now I say you the Zuzu. Now I say if I don't need your boyfriend a central guy. If I need your boyfriend they cry follow me. Don't beg me, beg. I say I don't get what I want use and do. I don't need that. If I need that, you see as you they hustle put on for house, you they do Ashawo, you they use until they feed that. I go your Ashawo money, I go they collect them for your hand. I will feed do. Now his friend say, come on, leave this Ishan girl, come on, they go. Now those boys, now they you supposed to talk to. Now God say, my parents don't happy, we don't pay. Now you they talk now. You see me, see the guy again. I don't get what I want you central guy do. As I say now central, they don't fit give me money. When this one come here, they zuzu, they talk rubbish, they crazy. That's how they use Benin man, they do. If you see any Benin man go say, lovely friend down. The Benin man go tell you say lovely, na machine when they chop money. If you see Benin man, he will say lovely friend me. The Benin man go say, hey lovely, he chop my money. He will say na juju you they use. Hi, come on. He will say lovely, but well lower. You know say when Benin man they give you money, or they have to say to well boni mea. If Benin man, when you get money, not be central when they find one work giver. Benin man when you get money. If Benin man, not give Benin woman money, if he reach where Ishan woman day, he they spend for Ishan woman. He they spend. Or spend. Go ask. Just ask. Even Benin women go talk and say, Benin men, if Benin men they friend Ishan, that they spend for Ishan. How many Ishan person you will see say Benin man will say they do Ashawo? It not day. Benin man go they if Ishan woman, Ishan guy say one friend Benin when they do central, the money when they collect for Benin women hand, you go they give that Ishan. You go they give. Don't come here, can't they deceive yourself. My darling, how you dey? I love you for defending yourself. Hey, my sister, I dey defend myself for me. I dey hold ground though. I dey zuzu. Now get school now go get school. I dey zuzu. Even if say I dey inside man, I go dey zuzu. Even if say they want buy me, I go dey zuzu. I know how to hold my ground. All those are when that they talk. All those Benin women, they try. They try. So they go nowhere, go they hustle. The time when Benin women they go nowhere, go they hustle, they don't already get children. They don't already get children. They don't already get children, so go get nanny. They all leave their children for nanny. They still follow, they do this nanny. Now still, so Benin women. Now that they heard that they carry their children. The boys, the men they. They'll say, they'll tell the women, say, give, I can't what the one-way trailer. Where they tell the women today, say, where the one-way trailer, when they give the men money, they take buy. Where this men put this money for Benin, I don't see her. Why not they block, Selflove mouth? What is that? Why you put Selflove picture with the... No, the video won't do what my plan for you. When all of them they say Selflove. When Selflove say, when she they go road work, say her husband, that time na her boyfriend, don't say the man I come marry her. Say the man, they even escort and go road work that time. Now they tell the talk say self-love lawa, self-love lawa. Now it make me talk say una no. Only what you now will just do, make not just do video, give self-love. Now truth, not self-love talk. And the truth happen, Benin women, all those data where they no guess, that they also give Benin men. Benin men never protect Benin women. Iyama protect. Iyama protect Benin women. The one way wise for inside now, Benin men no feel wrong. If they see the one way wise, Iya wale. If they also Benin woman way wise, Iya wale. And Benin woman way wise, that's what they say, well, so you don't know. If you say Benin woman way wise, they will say, well, so na Benin woman. You sure say na Benin. Na Benin, no say Benin women there, or if they're wise, the two of our wise, oh. So they, if they're wise, the two of our wise. They're the two of our wise, they talking. Some of them, they work that time. Some of them, they work that time. The one way they work that time. The one way they work for fabric at that time. Benin may not they friend them, boo. They not they friend them. Lie. If they say I lie, make they come, make you talk. Make they come. You know? I don't know why they are. Why she come the attack Cora that time? No, why they attack Cora that time? He say make Cora go back to his husband. Now he make self-love. They talk to Cora that time, which everybody say it. As the marriage not working, don't say if marriage scatter. Some people will say go back. Some people will say no, go back. Everybody get their own opinion. Now her own opinion she still put. At the end of the day, she see that maybe what she was doing that is not good. She quit. She apologized to the girl. Now so, when she can't talk truth now, that they say no lawa, no la don't come out. My sister, if they say make they open gates, many things go fly come out. No be only bed go fly come out. Atutu many things when you get feather, you go fly come out. To be honest, you see some Benin women today, they are still suffering. Because why? Benin men never protect Benin women. Benin men never protect Benin women. Never. They never. You know they. All of them, they don't money, make the women, they bring money for them, make the women, they bring money for them, make the women, they bring money for them. They never protect Benin women. To be honest, I used to do video last year. The day when Easy Ogbede, they do live video, Easy Ogbede still talking. And the truth, Benin may never protect, never. He got one way they talk to me that time. That time for no girl. That time, you know where they carry that one, they go chop? Chinese. Yeah, it only the Chinese rice. I can't do, they said they be shentro, me can't be shentro. I can't even they do shentro past there. You just say, the guy like me. So his friend say, one of his friends come say, yeah, now you can't even the logo for Obiesan. You be one can chop Obiesan money. Now you can't give Obiesan money. MCI card. Now that time MCI card stay the rain. MCI card. MCI card. Oh, dead. Me out there as I tell him say I not day. The day when I want go eat Chinese, I tell him say he was call. Now me will call. Where you dey? Now you say I dey. I'll say I dey that Chinese place. You feel can you go come? If I eat Chinese finish, I'll see discharge for there come out. The guy that Benin guy like me die. He like me. Now if friend come say we no dey. This one na fiao gbe. Well, if we are fiao, Benin man no dey reach where you dey. Your friend say na fiao gbe na. This one too tear na. Tear. They fool everywhere. They speak me that time and they use until they do caricature. That time they will tell my girlfriend say I don't like this your Ishan friend. My Benin girlfriend will say, not just go, you know, agree, I know go talk to her. That's what they be. They never protect. If you see Benin woman, when he build house Oh well, or a build or what build there, or what painted, or what baiji. Say he build the house, he finish the house. You go say the Benin woman no give shishi or marry shishi. Where the Benin woman get 3 houses or marry go ne blabwe. He no give lie. He no give. Make if and I lie you back. If you see them, they'll come they deceive themselves. Now they don't want disgrace. Now they bring disgrace to themselves. That is the place where I get it twisted for them. Now they don't want disgrace. Now they bring disgrace upon themselves. But now as they talk, as in Lizzie, Easy, and Selflove they talk, as they talk, now for just they do another topic. Because waiting, Selflove talk, na truth. Even the Selflove what I want to know. Yeah. Because these people pay their madam finish. They can't pay blabwe, they put blabwe for house. Now 2 people now they pay now. They pay madam finish, they can't pay boyfriend, family. They will buy something, carry, go give their mother-in-law. Most of them, when they say mother-in-law that time, you know how many daughter-in-law that they get? Many people. You know how many daughter-in-law that they get? Their mama. You know how many daughter-in-law? If the man get 15, boy get 15 girlfriend, the 15 girlfriend go they talk to the boy mama. You see, huh? If Benin boy, they friend all those Benin girls, if now 15 girlfriend he get, their mama get the 15 girlfriend number. And the 15 girlfriend there, they give their boyfriend money. Now 2 people that they pay, now 2 times that they pay gbese. A lot of them, 2 times. That is that now so they be. If they call you account, they talk. You don't drink your medicine. Now they sick. Now they tell person whether person don't drink your medicine. Most of them no. Now so messy. Now so if you see Benin woman that time when all this rubbish when they talk, so Benin women dey, some Benin girls dey that time, that they go fabrica. If you see the way when these Benin men take they jab them, that they jab them because that they go fabrica. Because they don't say fabrica, but you know they read the others are where they go break ukmangolo. Break ukmangolo, they break ukmangolo, see mommy. Now these women that time, they figure like 7 girls, 5 girls. Now the man, now go plenty, and now the man go select. Now they go select the girl where he go pay. But not be carry the girl come. Now their boyfriend go select. You say, hey, you know what banana? This one when just the jello, so you go the sale where. You go collect them. The one when the sale where now their boyfriend they carry. And now they get that guess so. Now they get the guess, not be the men get the guess. They will bring guy come, the guys go they balance this men. As today, waiting those men use this money do. If I look there, now be say, if you see say Benima they talk, I go they carry nose like this. You know see this girl, that lady when they France, where they call her, Ijore. You see those adult men whether they go Ijore platform. All of them they be central boys so. Whether they say Ijore, Gualokwo mume, Ijore, 5 women for me, Ijore, 5 women for me. Gualokwo mume. Now this one you take go what today? Yeah.
Everybody says it was nice.
Maybe $9 see when $9 they wrong.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's what she had there. She's doing that to Cassia.
She's watching outside. I think
she's
there.
Watching me. That's
She's
it. She thought I think.
You see? If they talk, make una not mind them. That they fool themselves. Mama,
Yeah, why are you running?
close it. There.
They was waiting for you. That's why you did go outside.
We go outside.
You go, but she was here. The other cat was outside waiting for her.
No, you go run. They run for them because they fight on.
Yeah, because you're not big enough to be fighting.
If they make trouble now, not be made that the pursue.
Now, if that cat is there, she come back home.
Oh, listen.
Oh, believer. His sister go make his brother go jail. Sister go make his brother go jail because of madam way too. I know how many men don't go jail for this room because of what his sister do. Now his sister that carry guest, now his brother go for one go jail. For what he don't know anything about. When I know what madam don't cost to many people life. When I say that they don't like her when they do the job, who tell you say we like her? You have no choice. You know.
Now so that's it.
Let me say you have no choice.
No mind them. No, we are just playing something here. It's not. Let's play the video. Okay, I should play the video for you now. Now I see your comment. Yes, edit. Yes. Guess when they do fabric at that time? They talk to them, lie. Now they talk to them. Now they talk to them. Maybe you with Nala go there. Nala voice the entire year.
Oh, me, I can't hear it.
Yeah, it's like if you did the enter. Not be Nala they do video now. Are you the one doing video?
Right, listen to music. Say point.
You know?
Can you hear me to put the...
Mommy is here. The way when they do me sometimes.
Ooh. It's so like a warm in the book.
I'll take it. Don't put it here. It might be like woos. Yeah, this is. This is leave Nala. You are disturbing me.
Sorry.
Nala, go and meet Titi. Go there. Do not hide here. Titi.
She don't even fit here anymore. Look, she's going.
See, left again. Take.
She's going. Why?
Mommy, what do you buy? Now me put that thing for there. Oh. That bag. You know, when you do shopping, I don't remove and since. You see, now so Dito. Guess when they do fabric at that time, they know they friend them. They tease the girls. If you see all of that, they say, hey, bidi. When it comes to truth, to me and they talking. Some Benin women that they do fabrica. All those central boys, they know they friend them. Lie. It can't be like say the Benin girls when they do fabrica. It can't be like say they shit for body. If you see most of them, now them marry Oyibo. If you see most of them, now them marry Oyibo. If you see most of them, now them marry Oyibo. When they still dey Oyibo house today, if you talk of Benin boy for their ear, they will say fear. They know they agree. They cannot friend Benin woman when they go fabrica. That time they young now. They cannot friend Benin woman when they go fabrica. Lie. These men, they were not even thinking about how to get documents. Only way that they think about, they will their house, they know they pay house rent, they will they control remote, just they take care of them. Stock is what they want wear. Now Benin women and they buy them. Stock is. You also say, hey, if people when they say something, people when they go now poly, go they buy things come. Oh my God. Oh baby, let's go. Who buy the shoe for them? Who buy the shoe for them? Not be Benin women. All those people, whether they from Napoli, whether they go buy something, they'll just carry the something, buy all those shoes, buy all those teas, buy many teas, all those one all those Vendi, all those people when they set things, they'll carry reach there. You see those Benin women, they feel use 2,000 euro. They feel use 2,000 euro to buy something for their boyfriend. You see all those things where they buy so, not be the one wear them, oh. You see all these Central boys, they can never wear Napoli product. They will say not be Maka. Not be the one wear them, oh. You see all those things that they send and they go house. All those Benin women, they go just do shopping, give ma. From the mother to the last born, when their mama born. Now so the girl, now so you go to feed the boss. Carry go house. Some of them don't even remember their family again. Some of them dead, they don't remember their family. Now the occurrence say no friend blah boy, no friend. If they hear say no friend blah boy, don't say that one a Benin language. Do not friend blah boy, do not friend blah boy. Na Benin, not be another person. Some of them can't forget their parents. Some of them not call even. Some of them, hey, some of them said that some of their parents even in webo.
You don't get choice. You must do
the plan for you.
Me, I'm a survivor.
May we start off for the beginning.
I am among of the people. People know how to hide their trauma. People know how to hide their trauma very well. Why they are trying to put themselves and another person. They'll put another person for road.
Yeah, they are very useless, my darling. Not my day.
Yeah, easy. We talk our story. People they vex.
You see today, Nana, they frustrate. Oh, you see this man. They never even think of how to get documents. Even the time when they do document for Italy. Now these women go see full hustle. Still hustle. Give them money to do document. Their own document, oh, they go still chop the money. Here you go. This money when they talk for documents, so not be 1,000 euro, 4,000, 6,000. They go still, no, Benin women for abroad, they try for Benin men. Now Benin women, oh, now they know say man is not worthy. Eh? Mommy, I'm not talking to you now.
If you don't marry, you're not supposed to use your man. They tell some kind of thing. Shut up your mouth. The man where I marry, you know the time where I go to Ashawo.
Yeah.
Sometimes if you would
yeah, they use juju. They use juju well. Eh? No problem. Another goat meat today inside. There is another goat meat inside. You with meat. Not true, my darling. That they use juju. Don't call you juju take tight them. The family of the girl go the family of the girl that they will come they say yeah bon movie oh blah boy yeah bon movie oh now they gog. If you reach your platform, now they your platform whether they find wife. Now they there they are come and caught up with them. They are the one begging may Yore give them wife. Where they for aid themselves today. Some of them still they one room. You know, say wickedness, it's not good at all. And they will use those girls finish, they go dump them. You know what it be true?
Road.
Okay.
Yes, we go kiss each other. You go back to where they go. If I close, I go call I don't close. So sometimes you go call you can carry me. We go ask before I marry him.
Now, like my sister, Avon, they say 90. They say 90 to 95% of those women can't Euro, can't do no. You know, not lie, not be all of them.
You don't marry now. You can't talk because something I just still lead to this thing. When we all begin to talk, how we take suffer for this Europe. Some people they try.
Let you just go now. Later now you I'm here.
Many people when they judge me are easy. They do the Ashawo.
Go
they do one. They do the Ashawo. So even thief, so even the thief for road work.
Okay. If you go there, you buy for me, oh. Without my bread.
If I'm sleeping, come to my room and wake me up.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good. Later in the day, I'll be going to say good night. Later in the day.
Yeah, around 7, we stay early.
Okay. You know, Avon, now like some of them they're not. You know, some of them they run. The one went west for inside. Some of them they run. Yeah. Now that they say, if some run that time, some of them they run. So now during that time now yelala terrain now yelala that juju don't take when yelala oh don't take during that time now yelala terrain. They will contract, they go, ayelala, say, the people where they carry, the girl don't run, oh. You no gree pay, oh. You don't run, oh. They'll come carry am. I no see, I see. Yeah, that 90, that make me say that 1995. I say, not be all of them. For Shuperu Day, you know what the one will be Shuperu, the one will be say, he go walk, he go walk the money. They will use and take care of themselves. They know they give man. Now their self, now they use and they take care. Now their self, they know they give man. Their self. That they use and they be Shuperu. This black boy, they know they reach Shuperu girls. Guess when they dress, black boy know they reach where they did. They'll say no, all those, this one when they dress, this one no fee give money now. You see, you know, say somebody when they wear expensive things, man know they reach where they. Man will say this one, it go now you know. Like Shuperu girls that time at their own night they know. This my daughter said. You know, now so, Central Day, Shuperu Girls Day. You see these Shuperu guys when they see so. Some Central guys, they go give Shuperu girls money. Fine. You know, they fine. Akbola. Now, when you say Akbola, now they wear Akbola girls. All those ones, I know they give, no matter how the man go do juju rich, all those ones said they see if they do juju. No matter how they go do juju rich, no day when they know they go party. No those ones they call on Shuperu. Blah blah no they reach where Shuperu day. Like. Central man can never have anything to do with Shuperu because Shuperu, that they dress well. Any guy when they dress, blah blah no get wetin want use you do. Because they know say you know your own well. If they know say you know your own, they are not coming to where you dey. So one make they try. They also make they try. By the time when they go they try now, they'll come put for Shuperu hand. If they come ask the guy, they'll come the woman when the guy they friend, they'll go to say, I hear say they say you the friend one Shuperu girl. I hear say they say you the friend one Shuperu girl because Shuperu girls that they collect money from man hand. That they collect money from man hand. Now that all this they are yelekute. That most of those women where they friend that time they be yelekute. Yelekute. They be yelekute. Later they come see the friend nyonyo girls. You know, nyonyo girls of this Bini girls. They don't know say somebody can trick you and take money from you. You take and just now.
No, I didn't take it.
You take it on top of bed.
No, I didn't take it.
Oh, it's not here now. Where is it?
I take it.
Yeah. No time he said they look for that. I don't get that na time, eh? Stop. I don't get that time. You take and come off for here, not there here. You know? Yeah, you take and now. Go check kitchen. Now so, those ones that they buy things, no need. They not they go. You can never see any Central boy. He go say he chop Shuperu money. Lie to lie. Because Shuperu guess when they buy expensive things, they still they gaga. They can also, they know they give guy the money. You know, consign them. They do like crazy people. You know? All those one where you see say that they shout. That they say, enter house. You don't tell husband house. That they say, make Selflove enter house. Say Selflove don't tell husband house. The same man when Selflove married today, he escort Selflove go road. He escort her. He no fit stop Selflove. He no fit stop her for hustle. He no fit stop her. Why not stop her? Say Binima. Why not stop her? Bring Benin men. He say, may you bring Benin men come out. Say, bring 100 Benin men come out. You will say inside that 100, may you bring 5 come out when you stop Benin girls for streets. He not day. Others when you see say they just they get mad. If you even look the Nigeria today, not be Ashawo that they do. Woman when they husband has to go, they do Ashawo. Why it can be like say in a shame tone. Hook up when they Nigeria, not big biagia, not be hook up, not be big biagia. Almost all the old Nigeria women, both the one way marry. Small children, all of them, they do hook up. You know how many women they don't catch for hook up, married woman. You know how many? It's not a new thing, but if una say una people they talk, make una pass the video. But I don't call it the say una be saints. Now truth, now self-love talk. Most of these women that today, some of them when they say that their husband has today, their boyfriend used to take do Ashawo. They pay madam finish. Now their second day night that they call, I go bon put. Now their second day, they go say the man too chop their money, they call bon put. Usually their second day night be I bon put. You see that say things when these Benin people they do so. Now I make them. If they find girl now, how can you wait be man? You not get document. You not get work. Wait till they make you they find woman when you get 5 children. You want chop children money. You don't they not they see it be a money eat a girl. Now children benefits now. Now they come they follow children they chop. A man go see woman with the 4 children. He go chook her put. Oga, you they work. When you want to assist that woman, now because of the money of those children, now I make this Benin man, now I make her enter the Benin woman life. They are too fucking lazy. They're too lazy. They are too lazy. But they say the Benin man way good though. If you see the Benin man way good, they tell you say that they when the Benin go even they ask, oh yeah, don't know. You know they me go anyhow. If you see Benin man way good, no they me go anyhow. You know they do nyaka. That now their game be that. Maybe they know they tell say self-love enter has self-love enter because now truth. Now self-love talk. There are women they born finish. Someday they don't give the woman belly. The woman don't born finish. The woman the woman go road work. You will go road work. Some of them still live with the woman can't reach today. Now the women are they still they suffer can't reach today. Now they still they suffer. See their footy talk. What did they use that they do? Benin man when they Europe, what do you want use and do? What do you want use and do? All those one when they don't do shit through all those one when you don't see the way they take bomb proof for everywhere. Small pikin go be baby father of 6 children. Different mothers. Because why? If they say later, they say women, they know they hustle, they give them money again. They can't switch, enter single mother. You know, see that single mother because they use the thing they do jeje because single mother no go fit. Single mother, now he go put you for house. The money when they give a take care of your children, you go they use until they feed you. How long you want to and rich? You know, so they say all this single mother that they pay the rich 4,000 euro. And they don't get that 4,000 euro. They'll talk if they just reach there. Bata. The single mother feel they give them 1,000 euro every month. They can calculate. They are not making money. They don't struggle to make money. They are calculating what one they will be calculate another person money. No, not my then. That be not true. That ain't self-love. Talk. Not truth. Now only Benin man you go see for the whole Europe country. Say they can say you can't say this tribe they hustle. Now only Benin man. Now they carry a babe they go road. Then even they carry their wife they go road before they can go pay bride price. If I said the woman don't they work for fabrica, now they'll go pay at bride price. Oh. If they work for road, they don't pay bride price.
People know how to hide their trauma. People know how to hide their trauma very well. While they are trying to put themselves and another person, they'll go put another person for road. We the Benin, we are very fond of doing that. Me and Easy, we talk our story. People they verse. Then they verse. You don't marry. If you don't marry, you're not supposed to use your man. They talk some kind of thing. Shut up your mouth. The man where I marry, you know the time where I think they do Ashawo. Sometimes if you even escort me reach road. Yes, we go kiss each other.
Is that it now? Take it now. Is another one is there? Hey man, I want to remove cloth for us. A nicer cloth now day today. Eh? I do the one I'm not supposed to do. Poor me. My people, I got the leave now. Now so maybe we'll use another day to play this thing. I want to. Yeah, they're not good, my darling. If you see them, me I don't feel stand now. Benima will come to talk for where I did. I'll say, brother, shut up. I'll say, shut up. Ask how many of them. You know, most of some of them when they inside, most of Benin girls when they call their friend Igbo, call their friend Ishan, call their friend Agbo. You know what? The Benin men they tell them, they want using that they go carry a mwel. The one which is that they go carry a mwel and that's when they put for nose powder. The one using that they carry powder. It can't be like say it can't be shame to them because they want using that they carry powder. If you see any Benin woman when they friend Isha, Benin man say na market they use the Benin woman to they carry na. Na market they use the Benin woman to they carry na. If you see Benin woman when they friend Igbo, they'll say na market they use until they carry na. Na market they use until they carry. They just want make their women they work for them. To be honest, Benin men never protect their Benin women. Do not see the one when they tell they disgrace there for social media. Now so it be right from time. Man when they protect women, man when they protect women, they are not they disgrace their women. You know see Benin people, Benin men. You know see the one when they call their women Ashawo. You know see they know they protect like they can never protect their women. They don't protect their women. I used to do live video last year. They don't protect their women. Because he say maybe their Benin woman now the friend Agbo guy, they will say the Agbo guy they use until they carry market. If they say the friend Ishan guy, they'll say na market they use until they carry. If they friend Igbo, na market they use and carry. If they friend Yoruba, na market now they use and carry. You see, they are lazy, they're lazy way. Not the way that they feed do, they're lazy. They're all like that, make their women, they work, they feed them. Now their women go pay house rent, like food, buy clothes for them. Girikpa. They will buy clothes for them. And expensive clothes, and not be only that woman, not be that they get that they get rich 10 girlfriends from different states. And that they schedule them. If a week now, so they will be real or got pata for the centro. They're not there with woman for house. They're not there with woman for house, but every day, woman did their house. Ask me, say, lovely, you said they're not there with woman for her. How every day woman did their house, that they put on for schedule. This week now, one woman go come. If they come, go bring money, come bring everything. If you not get money, not call them. If they say na 4,000 they want, if that 4,000 not complete, you not go come. They go use to take switch another person. You see, Central dey inside, Central, the big one way dey inside. They don't follow women day house. They don't follow women day house. So they follow women day house. All those ones that they tore. Those ones that they tore, they be Central where they tore. Anywhere where that woman they must load their bag, go. Then they see Central when he get to your house, when their girlfriend they come, their girlfriend now one fit come now. If you get 10 girlfriend now, one fit come for one, you go spend 3 days, you go come out. 2 girlfriend free come for 1 week. You go be different day. You go spend 3 days, you go come out. If you don't come out finish, because you already know the schedule. Say now 3 days, if that guy reach there now on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You see, the one when they come now, he go book that one, that Wednesday, because before that one go come, the one when he day, he don't discharge him. You see, he don't discharge him. Now, so that they do at that time. Sometimes they don't live with women for house, but women, they date their house every day. Now, different women that they get. 2 different women, if you come visit them for 1 week. Another week, another 2 women go come still visit them. Another week before months go rush out, women day. The food where this one go cook, no be this one go cook. The food that one will cook, this one will come. Now go this one cook, go you cook before that one will come out. You don't still wash pot. And now those people that they come and then go do shopping, you can never see shopping for their house. You don't see shopping that they craze. Now then they do shopping, they come. If they don't come, what they do? They don't come. I'll carry the entire shop. I'll carry the entire shop. Use them do shopping. Use them do shopping. Do everything finish. Carry them. Another one doesn't come. The one now different one. They see the one where they eat puree well.
If I close,
the one where they eat puree well. Puree one still there. Puree one
so
still
we
there.
don't marry now. Because something I just lead to this thing. When we all begin to talk, how we take suffer for this Europe. Some people they try they shut us up.
Now they spoil them, oh, my sister. Now they spoil them. They don't work. They don't work. Even if you see someone get document today, now women, I give them document. Everything when they get, now women, now I give them. Everything when they get, now women, now I give them. So they, that they carry bag. That they see Shentro when they do toy. They do toy. Shentro toy. You go down they do toy, they go. You go down they go women house. Different women house. You go just they go different women house. That one, Shentro toy, now that one they do. If you see any Shentro toy, you'll not say there be Shentro gang when they day inside house. 3 boys 3 days, there be Shentro boys. They don't day one house. All those ones that they go toy. Sometimes their girlfriend will constantly greet them. Now that they go the women house. They are not bad. There are women that try me, God forbid. I don't fit. I don't go see sleep. Maybe away. I don't go see sleep. May I play for the end. May I can't come out. Don't just
people know how to hide their trauma. People know how to hide their trauma very well. Why they are trying to put themselves and another person. They'll put another person for road. We the Benin, we are very fond of doing that. Me and Easy, we talk our story. People they vex. They vex. You don't marry. If you don't marry, you're not supposed to use your mouth. They tell some kind of thing. Shut up your mouth. The man where I marry, you know the time where I take they do Ashawo. Sometimes if even they escort me reach road. Yeah. Yes, we go kiss each other. You go back to where they go. If I close, I go call I don't close. So sometimes you go call this car carry me. We go ask before I marry him.
You hear? Why the fuck say she did make she enter house? You hear? Did you hear that? No be person can't talk now. No be person when you see at that time, no be can't talk more. Maybe the rest when they also together that time now, they know this story. They still they tell us say make she enter house. When all of them they go stand that time, his boyfriend will come use car carry and come. When he come be husband today now. The people when with our hustle together, they know the man. They know the man. They not say they carry self-love, they go road work that time. They go bring and come back.
So when you don't marry now,
you don't laugh.
Talk because something I just lead to this thing. When we all begin to talk, how we take suffer for this Europe. Some people they try, make they shut us up, say, go no way, what way? Many people when they judge me are easy. They do the Ashawo. They do it. They do the Ashawo. So even thief, so even the thief for road work. I won't lay a no bioji. Niga around po. Yeah, supo, yeah, to them. Giddy. Some of the way they hide for inside, they don't because of you. Buy another innocent person. Now you thief for you go, you run. They can't go kill your friend. Many of you guys say start John and Wabo. But when they try, now many of them they hide for fake accounts. Many of them know they come out. Many people when they do bad for Ashawo work, they're not their Facebook. Then they hide. Then they hide. Somebody tell me about something will happen for Pama de Mayoka. How the girl say they say bag when do a moe, they come catch another person, put for waiting the girl do. You know, the girl they said the father, another person, now a friend, he can't go give the friend, say, help me hold bag. Police corner, he control the girl where he hold the bag. He see cocaine for inside the bag. They go arrest the girl. As the girl cry, reach, they tell your friend, come tell police, say, now you get this thing. Come tell police, say, now you get this father. The girl not talk. Today, now the girl don't buy. The girl will lie. The girl won't go jail. 10 years jail. For what she don't know anything about. Many people go believe her. Your sister go make your brother go jail. Sister go make your brother go jail because of madam way too. I know how many men don't go jail for this room because of what his sister do. Now his sister like carry test, now your brother go follow and go jail. For what he don't know anything about. When I know what madam don't cost to many people life. When I say that they don't like her, when they do the job, who tell you say we like her? You have no choice. You don't get choice. You don't like the thing, but you don't get choice. You must do the work to pay your madam. Me, I'm a survivor. I always talk. I am among of the people where God have mercy on. I am among of the people where God have mercy on. God can't look me, my daughter. You not get error in my sight. You might think I have error in your sight. That's from my posako. Who sent you? The last time I checked, I don't send anybody. Now myself, I always put myself first. I prioritize myself before anybody else. And that's in many people not they like I say you go to prioritize yourself. Now middle finger they give somebody where they tell me say, why are you prioritizing yourself? Middle finger. And to those where they tell me say you don't get character to stay husband house. Thunder fire you 100 times. You see the people when they go to saga me for TikTok, he get one man where they say, his wife run leave him. Wife run leave him go London. Now that one go they judge me. Wait, they say you don't date 55 years, you don't get wife for his house. Now that one they saga me for my husband, me go call the cry, say somebody they saga me. Who they saga me don't get wife at the age of 55? Una head not correct oh. Wait till that one go tell me when he go to cry. That one when life already disappoint at his old age. Only one they carry vehicle when they go back go they cook. How that one go they happy say somebody like my husband go get wife for us where they cook from. They must make sure say they spoil another mate body so that all of them will be bashing at old age. Who not get sense that will fall for their trap? You see somebody like me, I can never fall for social media nonsense trap because I have my own sense. Take your time. The world have to judge us. Take your time. Many of these men who married to Ashawo, they know very well. They joy shop the money. They joy shop am. You go cook for Ashawo.
My sister, Europe rugged. Europe na rugged place. I don't know why they try to the off these people mouth. Make they just enter house. Europe rugged. It's rugged. Now rugged area. You know, nothing they happen. Even said that we will start say, make they bring all my nyash come on, nothing they happen. The deal is already done. You know, see that time they call they just say I be my nyash. Now say make they call use police come arrest me. You know, that is the job for you. You know what thing? Something when you know say you don't already do, you evolve. If like the bring and come out, the deal is done. Not be the one who call the insult self-love. Why insult? Is it not truth? It's truth. And true, beneath men, the true, they go carry beneath women, go road walk. They don't carry them go road walk. So could be say 100%. The beneath can control the work for the man. You can tell the woman say, now man you just they work for like this. It can't be like saying na juju. They fear their boyfriend. They pay madam for you, they can't begin to they work for boyfriend. Don't be juju be that. If you see some, even the time when they see they work for the man go dress. They're not they dress, oh. They don't they dress. When you see they don't they dress. You know the time when they take work from their madam, eh? They don't even fear the fear. When they fear now, at that time when they come to they work for their boyfriend. Their boyfriend when you know carry their comb. Now those who can't fear the past. You are gonna see the girls, they'll go they cry. You don't get another girl. You don't get another girl. And the man, when you they cry for the man, no, they give you shishi. Now you they work, give the man. Why you they cry? Man, these people, they were terrible. To be honest. If you reach train station sometimes, you also say that they fight. They fight for train station. Now so, my darling, now true, now self-love talk. Most of them today, now mean that they go come do. They will come do. And at the men still they leave them, oh. Now the men still they leave them. Now the men still they leave them. I also self-love, husband one leave her. Eh? That one say, me just, they go say, me self-love just did there. Now so just, no, I me did there. He don't lose self-love anything. He don't lose self-love. If you think say, if you marry self-love finish, if self-love come they born, he will come they carry the children, self-love will come they go road or see they walk. Little when that man don't know say self-love now, person when they use coconut to take what they call a pancande, take block ear, you don't hear. I say, what you still see for self-love? Self-love was somebody will be say, she they love. You know saying if you too love, you go become what kind thing. If they love, self-love want marry, self-love want to marry. Now person will be say, he wants stay husband house. May not be your husband, I'll be husband house, my darling. That be self-love. That just be self-love. Self-love the zuzu, but she don't know how to come out. She the zuzu. You know, so they say somebody when they crazy. Because they go crazy, they go gaga. If he miss something, he go do it. But self-love na person when they zuzu. You know they mean anything when they do. That make can still dead that man house. That make can still dead there. You can't be like say the man and the family they come to use until they do caricature. They never bought that man. I was say be no ani. Imo eh? Go come they insult me or sister-in-law. Now your brother, eh? Now you go even they give me money when I go take the buy credit card. When I go take the insult him mama. When I take the insult him mama. The mother no carry my phone again. They go block me. Yeah. She be person she want to stay husband house. She don't want to make people laugh. Huh? And at the end of the day,